My name is Anthony Fernandez, and I will cover the endocrine, cardiovascular, and urinary systems. The endocrine system produces hormones that travel to all parts of the body to maintain your tissues and organs. The following are some organs that are part of the endocrine system. The hypothalamus, pituitary gland, pineal gland, thyroid glands, parathyroid glands, thymus, adrenal glands, kidneys, pancreas, ovaries, and testes. Also, a few of the areas governed by the endocrine system are reproduction, response to stress and injury, growth and sexual development, body energy levels, internal balance of body systems, and bone and muscle strength. And when everything goes smoothly, your body functions properly. The heart and circulatory system make up your cardiovascular system. Your heart works as a pump that pushes blood to the organs, tissues, and cells of your body. Body delivers oxygen and nutrients to every cell and removes the carbon dioxide and waste products made by those cells. Blood is carried from your heart to the rest of your body through a complex network of arteries, arterioles, and capillaries. Arteries carry oxygen-rich blood away from the heart, while veins carry oxygen-poor blood back to the heart. The urinary system works with the lungs, skin, and intestines, all of which excrete waste, to keep the chemicals and water in your body balanced. The amount depends on many factors, especially the amount of fluid and food a person consumes, and how much fluid is lost through sweat and breathing. The urinary system removes a type of waste called urea from your blood. Urea is carried in the bloodstream to the kidneys. From the kidneys, urine travels down two thin tubes called ureters to the bladder, and then nerves in the bladder tell you when it is time to urinate.
Hello, I'm Fallon Boya. I'm going to talk to you about 3 important organ systems. Do you know how our body works? Let me help. In fact, we have 11 organ systems that work together to maintain homeostasis. By breathing, I inhale oxygen and exhale carbon dioxide, which is the main function of respiratory system. All the cells need oxygen in order to function, and too much carbon dioxide will kill them. Just like a car without a battery, it cannot move. When I breathe, I inhale oxygen from the air through my nasal cavity. It then goes through my pharynx, larynx, trachea, and then reaches the lungs where gas exchange occurs. Well, too much talking. I'm hungry now. Look, an apple. This is good. My central nervous system detects my anger. My brain activated stimuli that go through my spinal cord to reach my nerve. Activated glands and muscles to respond to the problem. By that communication, I was able to pick up the apple and eat it. My digestive system helped me to break down the apple into small molecules that can be absorbed through my blood to satisfy my anger. The apple has to go through my oral cavity, the esophagus, the liver, the stomach, small and large intestine. And then the rest of my apple that has not been absorbed will be eliminated using the rectum and anus. Thanks for listening.
My name is Joseph Watson, and I will be talking about the human reproductive system and the lymphatic system. The human reproductive system depends on the integrated action of the reproductive system and the neuroendocrine systems. The gonads, the primary reproductive organs, are the testes in the male and the ovaries in the female. The testes and the ovaries are responsible for producing sperm and eggs, respectively, and they also secrete hormones that regulate conception and fetal development. So you can see a screenshot of the female reproductive system and the male reproductive system. Isn't it fascinating to know about 500 million sperm mature every day in a normal male adult? Also, did you know that the ovaries of a newborn girl contain about 600,000 immature eggs, and that the female human body is capable of giving birth to about 35 children in one lifetime? However, in order to maintain our human race, we need to be able to fight off infections, and this is done by the lymphatic system. The lymphatic system has 3 primary functions. The first and most well-known function of the lymphatic system is defense against invading organisms and diseases. Lymph nodes and other lymphatic organs identify, destroy, and remove microorganisms and foreign particles. The second function of the lymphatic system is the absorption of fats and fat-soluble vitamins from the digestive system and the subsequent transport of these substances to venous circulation. Lastly, the lymphatic system returns excess interstitial fluid to the blood vessels. Lymph capillaries pick up excess interstitial fluid and proteins and return them to the venous blood to maintain fluid balance. So these are a few facts about the human reproductive system and the lymphatic system. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Kiva Gilmore, and I'm going to share a few facts with you to provide you with a foundation of the integumentary, muscle, and skeletal organ systems. Let's take a tour of the ISM. When you get up in the morning, the first thing you see, besides beauty, is your integumentary. This is your skin. The skin is your external body covering that protects your deeper tissues from injury. The skin is also a house for receptors, sweat, and oil glands. Our next stop is the muscle system. It is time to pump up. Our muscles help us move things around and help get us to where we need to be. Our muscles also help maintain our posture and produce heat. Finally, we've made it to the bones. Our skeletal body organ system helps protect our body organs, is a framework muscles use for movement, and is also where the blood forms. With that being said, I finally know why my dance moves are weak. Those extra bones needed to hit those moves never developed. Wow, that was a lot of information in just a few short minutes. Are you dizzy? I am. But I'm also excited to have shared these body organ system secrets with you. Remember, protect your skin and don't break a bone or else you will be a sitting duck.